Today is moving day for the camper. We have everything almost disconnected, and Tim is just doing some last minute smoothing on the hill. We just had the propane guy come over and disconnect the propane. Tim could have easily done it. It took him less than 2 minutes and over $100 to do that. So, but that's their rules. If you're gonna move the propane tank, have it moved, they have to come and disconnect and reconnect. So that's all done. We're gonna get ready to move the camper.
Fifth wheel on our pickup truck. Just adapting this. It worked last time. Part of the tripod that holds the front of the RV up, stabilize it, level it, and I just cut a hole in the top of my bucket. Feels pretty tight. It worked last time. Let's try it again. We forgot about all the extra weight we added.
Yes, we did.
And that was pretty nerve-wracking, I'll tell you what. My foot was pedaling. I was afraid if it did and I stopped, I wouldn't be able to restart. I can't believe it did it.
And we were going uphill this time.
Crazy.
Awesome job.
Through the deepest and the hardest, I wear the scars like tattoos, every single break and bruise, so I know what the cost is. I'll go through anything to get where I wanna be, nothing you throw at me.
So the move went smoothly. We're getting a little shower right now, a little sprinkle, but that's okay. It's gonna be nice the rest of the day. So all that's left is to get hooked back up and set back up. Put my pantry back in order. Just waiting for Tim to bring up the cement blocks so we can secure the camper a little bit better.
Through the deepest and the hardest, I wear the scars like tattoos, every single break and bruise, so I know what the cost is. I'll go through anything to get where I wanna be, nothing you throw at me, gonna knock me off of my feet, it might take everything, so if you want it, you gotta be ready to play, 'cause I'll go anything. So if you want it, you gotta be ready to play, 'cause I'll go through anything. I'll keep praying to heaven and fighting like hell.